Hello everyone, my name is Koz and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today we're talking about one of the most essential skills in ice climbing, how to properly place ice screws. A solid screw placement can mean the difference between a bummer anchor and a sketchy lead. So let's break it down step by step. An ice screw is your primary protection on ice. Unlike rock climbing, where you're placing gear into cracks, here you're literally trusting frozen water. Good placement equals strength. Bad placement equals, well, let's not find out. Today we'll cover choosing the right ice, body positioning, starting the screw, finishing and clipping, common mistakes to avoid, building an anchor, and as a bonus, how to make an Abalakov. First rule, not all ice is good ice. Look for clear blue ice, which is usually denser and stronger. You also want to look for ice free of fractures or air pockets. And ice that is thick enough, ideally at least 10 to 12 centimeters deep. You really want to avoid white aerated dinner plated ice, hollow signing sections, areas with water running underneath, and surface ice that's detached from the structure. You can check this by tapping the ice with your tool. Solid ice sounds dense and sharp, not hollow. Now before you even reach for your screw, get stable. Make sure you got solid tool placements above you, good foot placements, your hips are in, and you got one hand free without feeling pumped. You want to place screws from a position of strength, not desperation. Now for the actual placement. Now if necessary, you might want to clear the surface by knocking away brittle surface ice with your adze or pick. You want to hold the screw by the hanger and keep your fingers away from the teeth. Now with placing the screw, angle matters. For the modern technique, place a screw roughly 10 to 15 degrees to the ice surface, or with a slightly downward angle. Now we're going to push and twist by applying inward pressure while turning clockwise until the threads bite. If it's good ice, you shouldn't need to hammer it in. If you do, something is wrong. Once the screw is biting, use the crank to speed things up. Keep steady inward pressure and drive it in until the hanger sits flush against the ice. If the hanger is sticking out, it's not fully placed. There is a chance you might want to clear some more surface ice to make sure the hanger sits flush. Whilst placing the screw, you should see solid ice shavings coming out, no spinning or stripping, and the screw tightening confidently. After it's fully placed, clip the rope with a quick draw. Now the same rules apply over here as in rock climbing. You want to make sure that the carabiner is facing the right way. You want to avoid cross loading, and you might want to consider extending the quick draw for reduce of rope drag. And now for some of the common mistakes. Placing screws in bad ice because you're pumped. Not clearing the surface ice first. Over angling the screw downwards. Stopping the placement before it's fully seated, and ignoring cracks around the placement. If the ice fractures while placing, back it up with another screw. When building anchors, you want to look for thick and uniform ice. You want to place two screws vertical from each other, about 40 centimeters apart. Now most ice climbers, when clipping the ice screws on an anchor, use wire gates instead of screw gates. I didn't like the idea at first, but it all makes sense with frozen temperatures and meltwater. Then use a 1m20 sling and equalize the anchor. Now your ice anchor is ready for use, but never trust a single screw for one anchor. Which brings us to our final point, making an Abalakov. Ice is layered. So the strongest Abalakov you can make is making it vertical from each other, but a horizontal one is just as good. find a good solid bit of ice. Using an 8-inch screw, make a hole at a 45-degree angle to the ice. After retrieving the screw, use the screw as your measuring rule for the next hole. The next hole is going back at a 45-degree angle, but make sure the hole lines up with the previous one. Once the holes line up, thread the rope by using the multi-hook. The rope now comes through and is ready for abseil. Ice screw placement is a skill that gets smoother and faster with practice. Focus on good ice, solid body position and deliberate movement. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more climbing tips. Also, drop your questions in the comments. But meanwhile, climb safe and enjoy the ice.